Attention building owners. Are you tired of the hassle of finding reliable service providers for your property maintenance needs? From plumbing to electrical, landscaping to renovations, the challenges are endless. But what if there was a solution that could make this process seamless and stress-free? Introducing 247 ProFinder, your all-in-one online service finder platform designed to connect building owners like you with trusted and certified professionals for all your property needs. With just a few clicks, gain access to a vast network of skilled and vetted service providers in your area. Whether it's a minor repair or a major renovation project, has got you covered.
The best part? The platform's ratings and reviews helped me make informed decisions, ensuring quality service every time. John, property manager.
I used to spend hours searching for reliable contractors. I found top-notch professionals in no time. Sarah, building owner.
But wait, there's more. Our platform offers competitive quotes, transparent pricing, and secure payment options, giving you peace of mind throughout the entire process. Save time, effort, and money by joining the countless building owners who have revolutionized their property maintenance experience. Don't let the stress of property maintenance weigh you down. Visit our website or download our app today and take the first step towards hassle-free property care. Join and simplify your property maintenance journey today, where excellence meets convenience.